Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we'll do Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So last Sunday itself I made a weekly analysis video. Hope you have looked into that video. So we were clearly bullish on Nifty and mainly on the Indian market and on most of the stocks as well. So we know our important dates. So 2nd April was our important day where exactly market made a bottom on that day with a panic dip, and it has recovered fully within the intraday. So related to this, I have made a time cycle video, so you can go back and check on my YouTube. So you will find that time cycle video around 4 5 weeks back. So in March first week only I've posted that video where 2nd April Nifty will make a bottom between 2nd to 5th April, and we had a bottom on 2nd April, and from there we have seen market going upside. Every dip is getting buying, and we are seeing market rallying upside. Market is opening flat and coming down, and towards end of the day we are closing on the upper end. If you can see here, in this whole fall this was the weekly high, and next week is this, and next week is this, next week is this is that, next week, next week, next week, next week. So if you see, in this whole fall, Nifty never went above previous week high. Okay, at least 1 minute candle also we have not seen going above previous week high. First time ever in this whole fall, Nifty has crossed the previous week high. Okay, yesterday itself, so Nifty have crossed this previous week high. A daily candle has closed above this level, and we are seeing price moving upside. So this is kind of a pattern change that has happened on Nifty chart. Okay, so apart from this, you see two things here. Another thing, so Nifty, whenever it is creating three green candles, so we were making new bottom. So when Nifty was here, we went short. When Nifty created these three green candles, I said we are not bullish, we can go short. You can go back and check my previous videos, and Nifty made a new bottom. When these three candles got created, we were long, and here we exited our positions, and from here we have seen market coming down. And similarly, now Nifty has created same three green candles here. So now we have to wait and see whether Nifty is going to break this pattern which we are seeing in this fall. After three green candles, Nifty always made a new low in this fall. Here also green candles, and we made a new low. Again here three, we made a new low. Again here three green candles, we made a new low. Three green candles here, we made a new low. So now if tomorrow, if Nifty is going to create another green candle, so then this pattern will break, and we will be turning to full bullish. Nifty might go near all-time high, but we are not that greedy. So there are certain levels where we have to book some profits, and or else we have to trail our profits. So we looked at analysis today. So if I go back onto the weekly time frame, so if I switch back to the weekly time frame on Nifty, if you see, this is drop candle, and here if you see, this was the resistance. Sorry, this was the earlier support here. Okay, Nifty went above this. Okay, came back, taken a support, went, came back, taken a support, again went upside, came back, taken a support, again went upside, came back, taken a support from here. When it is breaking this support, it have created a supply zone here. This is drop, and this is base, and again this is drop. So drop, base, drop is a supply structure. Now this candle on weekly time frame is very important for Nifty. How price is going to react here in this zone, which is from 24,300 to almost close to 25,000 zone. So Nifty will definitely come here till 24,300 zone. Here it will take one time rejection, and we have to see the price action here. If it is breaking like this, so we are going to see new ATH in Nifty. In case if it takes rejection, and if it is not sustaining here and if it gives a very good dip, then the recovery will be very slow for the upside. But in case when Nifty comes and tests 24,250 300 levels and hold price above 24k level or above 23,900 level for some time, and then if it gives breakout, we are going to see a good up move in Nifty, and we will be making a new all-time high in Nifty. So this is our view on daily time frame. You mark this candle on daily time frame, and this is going to act as a resistance. Also, price is coming for very first time here to this zone. This is a drop based drop where a supply structure is created when it is breaking a support zone. So this zone is very important. So Nifty now smoothly can come to this zone from here. It can come and test this zone. Sorry. So Nifty is now at 23,120. So the immediate target we have in Nifty is 24 250 to 300 zone. 24 250 to 350. This is our immediate target in Nifty at positional level. So we have another 1200 to 1300 points rally pending upside in Nifty. Okay, this is on weekly time frame. If we come back to the daily time frame, on daily time frame we have again two supply zones here. One supply zone which is already tested. Okay, one is this supply zone we have in Nifty, okay, which is already tested one time and we have seen a rejection, and the second time it went very close and we have seen a rejections. So this supply zone, I think it will not hold now, but your immediate target in Nifty will be 23,557. Your immediate target again above 23,800. There is another supply zone here. So this is a first supply zone on daily time frame which is not tested at the moment. Okay, so Nifty can freely flow here. Again, this is also coinciding almost with the weekly supply zone, which is 24,000 to 24,300 level, which coincides with weekly supply zone. So now Nifty from here, it can easily flow to this zone. As I said, 24,200 to 300 zone, Nifty can easily flow here. So we have another 1000 to 1200 points rally pending in Nifty, which can go very smoothly. Only thing for this to happen is Nifty have to close tomorrow in green. It have to break this pattern. Three green candles forming a new low. It have to break this pattern tomorrow. Then we are going to easily see this 1000 to 1200 points rally upside in Nifty. Okay, so this is on daily time frame. Let's come back and see on the hourly time frame what Nifty can do, so that you will get more clarity how to trade in Nifty. So let's come back here on hourly time frame. On hourly time frame, just keep it simple. In case if Nifty is going to trade above 23,180 tomorrow, if Nifty opens flat or little gap up and trades about 23,180 and close a 15 minutes candle about 23,180, you are going to see immediate target is 23,450. Okay, 23,444 you can mark. Okay, this is the immediate upside target we have in Nifty. Above this we have a target 23,855 will be our next target in Nifty. Above this we have a target of 24,255 you can keep. So these are our targets in Nifty for the upside. Downside, I will go only short below if Nifty closes below 23,740 level. Okay, I would say below 22,820 level. If Nifty closes, okay, we are going to see 22,740. 15-minute candle closing should come. We are going to see 22,740. Below 22,740 we are going to see 22,560 level in Nifty. So downside is very less possibility, but as this market currently running based on the news, based on the Twitter tweets mainly more than the news. So if something bad comes up over the night, so we might see Nifty coming down also. But right now Nifty has broken the structure. So if you see a trend line on the hourly time frame, so I will draw a trend line on the hourly time frame. Nifty has clearly broken the structure, okay, on the hourly time frame. So we are seeing trendline breakout happened and retest happened today, and Nifty has rallied upside. So this is the trade which I've given in my WhatsApp community as well. So this is where I posted and asked them to save this for their reference. Okay, so this was our entry, positional entry. We were long here in the bottom itself, on the 2nd April bottom only we were long. So but people who missed to enter on 2nd April at the bottom, so I have given another entry, positional re-entry for them. So that entry got triggered today. Already we are in 100 120 points plus profit today itself. So these were the targets which I have given to them: 23,466, 23,866, 24,300, and the ultimate target will be 25,000 to 25,130 zone. Okay, this is our ultimate target. And today also in the group we have captured this upside movement, so I have posted this in the group. When here we have the FPG area, when Nifty was trading at 22,812 only, I asked them we will only go short below 23,800, else Nifty can give a good bounce from here. Accordingly, Nifty has given a good bounce upside. So though Nifty was going upside, we have also taken few downside trades and we have captured some points in that. And today I also had a live session today. So we had a live session today at 1:35, and I've given some inputs how Nifty can react in future. In case if you don't wanted to miss these kind of inputs, live sessions which I will take very frequently in my free WhatsApp community, you can join that community. I will be sharing that link below this description. Again, I am not a SEBI registered analyst. I will be posting my views here for the educational purpose. Those are not buy sell recommendations. I am not going to give any tips. I don't have any paid channel as well. Okay, so this is my view in Nifty at the moment. So I am bullish on Nifty. So you can do your own analysis on Nifty as well. So now moving back to Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty also, if you see, Bank Nifty is exactly following this channel. Okay, whenever you see any channel formation downside, okay, and whenever you see a breakout happening, whether it is a good fundamental stock, whether it is an index, you are going to see a good move upside. So if you can see in Bank Nifty, this is the minimum move you can expect. If you calculate from top end to the bottom end of the channel on this breakout, you can expect this minimum move 56,500. We can minimum expect in Bank Nifty. So right now the breakout happened in Bank Nifty on 1 hour time frame. So if Bank Nifty is trading above 52,820 tomorrow, if Bank Nifty is trading above 52,820, okay, we are going to see 53,500. We are going to see 53,500, and above 53,500 we are going to see 54,130, 54,130, and above 54,130 we are going to see 55,600. Okay, this is my view in Bank Nifty. And downside, I will be only short with less quantity if Bank Nifty close below 51,877 on 15 minutes time frame. If it close below 51,877, then only I will be short in Bank Nifty for the first target of 51,388. Okay, and next target will be the low, which is 50,000. 50,188. So this is my view in Bank Nifty. So again on Bank Nifty also I'm bullish. If market trades about today's high in Nifty and Bank Nifty, we are going to see a good up move tomorrow. Thursday, Friday market might go sideways, but tomorrow, oh, it is kind of a make or break. So either it has to rally or either it have to correct. So if in case if it goes sideways and it holds at the same level tomorrow above today's closing, on Thursday or Friday we are going to see a good up move. As we had good up move on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we might see market going little sideways tomorrow. Else we are going to see a good up move tomorrow. So in Bank Nifty also, daily time frame also, we have seen a breakout of this channel on daily time frame. Yesterday only we got a breakout and we are seeing a good up move in Bank Nifty. On weekly time frame also, Bank Nifty has taken good support on weekly time frame also. If you see, Bank Nifty is forming a nice pattern on weekly time frame. This gap got filled and we have seen a good hammer candle here, pin bar kind of candle. And in Bank Nifty also, if you see the trend, this is the first week the candle have crossed above previous week high. Okay, so if you see the whole trend, no candle has crossed the previous week high, and this is the first time we have crossed the previous week high. So the pattern have changed here in Bank Nifty, similar to Nifty. Again, only pattern that have to change here is on daily time frame. After three green candles we have seen a new low. After three green candles we have seen a new low. Again, now three green candles got formed. So tomorrow, if we see another green candle, then this pattern will break and we are going to see a good up move in Bank Nifty as well. So this is my analysis in Bank Nifty. And if you see the India VIX also, if I go onto the monthly time frame, India VIX, so we are at the resistance now. Now VIX is going to fall from here. If you see India VIX, whenever it goes, okay, whenever it reaches this level, India VIX, this zone, we have seen market giving good bonds upside. Okay, whenever it reaches here, we are seeing a rejection in India VIX, and we have this monthly trend line, and exactly near the monthly trend line the rejection is happening. If we India VIX fall, we are going to see rise in Nifty. So this is one more confluence you can have for the markets to turn into positive. So now whole market wide buying is happening in most of the stocks, so that is another positive indication. So few stocks will rally before Nifty moves, few stocks will rally along with Nifty. Okay, few stocks might rally after Nifty rallied. So you have to pick and choose your stocks based on your analysis. So I'm not going to give any stock recommendations here, as I am not a SEBI registered analyst. Hope this analysis will help you to stay positive in the market. Thank you everyone for watching this video. So please like and subscribe so that it will be an encouragement for me, and you can share our channel with your friends who is into trading. This can help them as well. Thank you everyone.